Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft account if you are unable to log in from Microsoft Store or any Microsoft app in Windows 10 and Windows 11, with the following sign-in error code, 0x801901f4. I have tried several methods used to solve most common problems of Microsoft Store or similar Microsoft apps, but all of them failed to fix this error code, at least for me. However, I will show you all those methods before showing you the new one that works in my laptop, so you can try them if you have different error source than me. Also, I will apply all methods on Microsoft Store app. However, the sign-in issue will be fixed in all Microsoft apps that require Microsoft account, such as Cortana, Microsoft Edge, Settings, Mail, Skype, Microsoft Office, and other apps, because the login will be synchronized with all of them automatically. First method, repair or reset the Microsoft Store app. Right-click on Store app and then select App Settings. In Windows 10, right-click on Store app and select More, and then select App Settings. Scroll down and click on Repair icon. Repair option is not available in Windows 10 at this time. If the repair option not helped, try Reset option. Second method, use troubleshooter. Right-click on Start icon and open Settings. Click on Update and Security option and then select Troubleshoot option. Click on Additional Troubleshooters option. Scroll down and then select Windows Store apps. Click on Run the Troubleshooter and apply the suggested fixes according to identified problem in your computer. Third method, re-register the Microsoft Store app. Open the app settings and then click on Terminate option. Right-click on Start icon and open Windows PowerShell as admin. Execute this command to change the execution policy to unrestricted. Execute this command to re-register Store app. Both commands lines are available on video description. Fourth method, the solution that works for me. Open Store app and search for free VPN app. Select the desired app from the list. In my case, I selected this one. Click on Get or Install option to start installation. Click Launch to open the VPN app. Click on Maybe Later option. Select any country from the list to change your browsing location and then click on the flag icon to connect to the selected server. Once the connection established, back to App Store and sign in using your Microsoft email, phone, or Skype account. If your problem starts after this window, try to log in to Microsoft from any browser to make sure your account is valid and not blocked. Enter the PIN or the password that you are using offline to log into your computer. As you can see, the sign-in process done successfully. If you get an error message saying that you will need the internet for this, with this error code, 0x800713ab, then you have to troubleshoot your internet connection or to disable the VPN app. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.